Hello everyone, welcome to the Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to generate department-wise outstanding details in the Fresa application. Initially, we have to log in Fresa Application. After successfully logging in, this is what our dashboard looks like. Navigate to the Accounts module. Go to the AR menu and click the AR Outstanding Details menu. On this page, select the COA, Organization, and Department and click the Submit button. The list of outstanding vouchers will be displayed based on the selected department. To download the report, click the option and select Download. To print, click the Report button at the top right corner. From the list of available reports, select the required format. Then proceed with print or email as needed. These are the steps to generate department-wise outstanding details in the Fresa application. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials from Fresa Technologies.